Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn about how the length of a shadow changes as the sun changes its position in the sky. Before we start, can anyone tell me if the size of our shadow is the same at different times of the day?
No. The size of our shadow changes throughout the day.
Teacher, why does the size of a shadow change?
Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a torch and an opaque object. Shine the torch at the opaque object from different positions. Observe the length of the shadow formed at each position. Note where the torch is when the shadow is the longest and shortest. Where is the torch when the length of the shadow is the longest? Pause and discuss.
Position A and position E form the longest shadow.
Yes! Where is the torch when the length of the shadow is the shortest? Pause and discuss.
Position C formed the shortest shadow.
The activity shows us that the length of the shadow of an object depends on the position of the light source. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.